Hello, I hope you're having an excellent day. My name is Christian Castro and I'm studying engineering in mechatronics. So right now I'm going to show you two types of manufacturing processes, which is the injection fond and fond by metallic mold. So we're going to start with the permanent mold, which is actually a mold which is divided by two parts that complements each other, and it has like a heart which can be stationary or permanent, and another one which could be of sand, which will be removable, and with the removable heart it's gonna be easier to take out the liquefied metal that we put it in. Alright, so here we have that some metals can be found commonly in the permanent mold. Would be aluminium and magnesium and some other combinations of copper and iron. So here we have some of the parts of the permanent mold, which is the heart, which I just told you that it could be a permanent heart or a movable heart, which could be of sand, and a pneumatic or hydropneumatic cylinder, which is going to be moving precisely the height or the width that we want or we need to make our structure, to make our piece. And well, about the lubrication is all about the fluid or the thing that we put inside the mold, so the metal that we put in, the liquefied metal that we put in, it doesn't get stuck on the same mold. Alright, so right now we have one kind of foundation process, which is that you put the liquefied metal and you turn down the mold before the inside metal, liquefied metal turns into something solid. So it all goes down and it will be reusable, but the inside will be like a hole, like the one that you see right now in the image. So now let's go for fond by injection. Alright, so what does it mean? What is fond by injection? Well, this process is basically in hand with the one that we just talked about, which means that we only are going to be injecting the liquefied metal into the permanent mold, so we can get our pieces. And well, it all has a lot of benefits, which is that, well, since it is liquefied and injected, it is going to be without any kind of pores. It will not have any kind of pores, and it will also be with a very, very low cost, comparing it with some other manufacturing processes. And by the way, since it is liquefied metal, it will change the form depending on the mold that we have, so it will adhere to whichever form we have right now. So these are some of the processes that we have for injector fond, which is like a cold room, we could say, a hot room, and metal injected montage. So for the cold room, we have the, well, it's only for the metals that have a high rate of getting hot, and the other thing, the opposite thing between the hot room is going to be for metals that have a low fusion point. And for the metal injected montage, it's more like an explication right here, that it will have some components. It's only used to get together some little components and production in montage. Alright, so also it will reduce the costs by a lot. That's what we have been talking about, that it has a very, very low cost, so it's quite a benefit to have a very, very low cost for the piece that we want. And well, that would be all for today. Here's just an image of how the font by injection works. But from the part, it would be all. I hope you're having an excellent day.